Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. So I'll be taking your PSM theory. Okay. That day I think we have talked about the Indian medicine. We have completed.
Yeah.
We have already completed. Today you write down the germ theory of disease. Turn on your videos. All of you turn on your videos. Turn on your videos.
Mom, I can't turn
You
because
just
I
need
charged my phone.
to play the video.
Because my phone is on charging.
I think you can
Sajarika Debbarma.
Yes, ma'am.
You please write down for section A, okay? Attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now write down the germ theory of disease. Change the paragraph and write down. You please underline, okay? It's important. Germ theory of disease is important. You underline and then you write down. For long, L-O-N-G, long. For long, L-O-N-G.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
can't. Ma'am, I can't hear you properly.
For long, L-O-N-G, long.
For long.
For long, comma, man was, man. For long, comma, man was groping in darkness, G-R-O-P-I-N-G, groping in darkness, G-R-O-P-I-N-G, groping in darkness, about the causation of disease, about the causation of disease, C-A-U-S-A-T-I-O-N, about the causation of disease. For long, comma, man was groping in darkness about the causation of disease. Full stop. Several theories were advanced from time to time. Several theories.
Ma'am,
Yes? Huh?
ma'am, darkness
Ma'am.
about.
Darkness about the causation of disease. Darkness about the causation of disease. It's better if you all turn on your videos so that I can at least know now what mistakes you are having or where are the doubts. Otherwise, I can't see you. I can't know what you are writing even. If possible, turn on your videos. Darkness about the causation of disease, full stop. Several theories were advanced from time to time. Several theories were advanced from time to time. Several theories were advanced from time to time to explain the disease causation. To explain the disease causation. C-A-U-S-A-T-I-O-N. To explain the disease causation. To explain the disease causation. To explain the disease causation. Huh?
Ma'am, several theories.
Several theories were advanced. Several theories were advanced.
Yes, ma'am.
A-D-V-A-N-C-E-D. Advanced from time to time. Advanced from time to time to explain the disease causation.
Yes.
To explain the disease causation. Such as the supernatural theory of disease. Such as the supernatural theory of disease. Such as the supernatural theory of disease. I guess you all have understood about the supernatural theory of disease which we have studied in the primitive medicine. Are you clear about it?
Such as the supernatural power of
Supernatural theory of disease. Sajarika? Yes, Sajarika Dev Burma. Do you know the supernatural theory of disease? Anyone? Tao Yati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me supernatural theory of disease. I already explained it to you, na, in primitive medicine. Tell me, what do you understand by the supernatural theory of disease?
Forward, ma'am.
Hmm. How can you forget so soon, within 2 to 3 days? Gordas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me the supernatural theory of disease.
Ma'am, the supernatural theory of disease in which the primitive man believed is as new as today. For example, ma'am, um,
Yes, yes. Please say. I have taught to you in the primitive medicine. Yeah, you please say.
I don't know.
Huh? Yes, four. Please say fast.
Ma'am, diseases such as leprosy are interpreted as being punishment for one's past sin in some cultures.
Okay. Okay, so at least you got the idea. You at least know, na? Good. So, supernatural theory of disease, comma, the theory of humors by Greeks and Indians. Continue. Supernatural theory of disease, you have written. Put a comma, then you write the theory of humors by the theory of humors, H-U-M-O-R-S. The theory of humors, H-U-M-O-R-S, humors, by the Greeks and Indians, by the Greeks and Indians, by the Greeks and Indians, which attributed A-T-T-R-I-B-U-T-E-D, which attributed disease to noxious air, noxious, N-O-X-I-O-U-S, N-O-X-I-O-U-S, noxious air, A-I-R, air, means harmful or poisonous air, okay? Noxious air, noxious means poisonous. Noxious air, A-I-R, air, and vapors, noxious air and vapors, the theory of spontaneous generation, etc. And the theory of spontaneous, S-P-O-N-T-A-N-E-O-U-S, spontaneous generation, etc. And the theory of spontaneous generation, etc. 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 Full stop. The breakdown came in. The breakdown, B-R-E-A-K, breakdown came in 1860. The breakdown came in 1860. The breakdown came in 1860, 1860, comma, when the French, F-R-E-N-C-H, French, when the French, F-R-E-N-C-H, when the French bacteriologist, R-I-O-L-O-G-I-S-T, bacteriologist. Bacteriology means what? What is the meaning of bacteriology? Huh? What do you mean by bacteriology,
Bacteria.
Rohan?
Actually, ma'am, those are deals with bacteria. Those are deals with bacteria.
Yeah, study of bacteria, right? So the French bacteriologist Louis Pasteur, Louis L-O-U-I-S, Louis L-O-U-I-S, Louis Pasteur, P-A-S-T-E-U-R, L capital, P capital, okay? Louis Pasteur, L-O-U-I-S, Louis. Okay, don't write L-E-W-I-S. L-O-U-I-S. It's pronounced as Louis Pasteur. P-A-S-T-E-U-R. P-A-S-T-E-U-R. Louis Pasteur. Write down 1822 to 1895. 1822 to 1895. You can write these years in between brackets. Okay. 1822 to 1895. Close the bracket. Then write demonstrated the presence of bacteria in air. Demonstrated the presence of bacteria in air. So Louis Pasteur, he was a bacteriologist, okay, and he have demonstrated the presence of bacteria in air. So he denied the supernatural theory of disease. He didn't accept, okay, the supernatural theory of disease. But instead, he
Ma'am,
thought
pattern
for it,
demonstrated.
huh?
Ma'am, pattern demonstrated.
Demonstrated the presence of bacteria in air. Demonstrated the presence of bacteria in air. B-A-C-T-E-R-I-A. Bacteria in air. A-I-R, air. Full stop. He disproved the theory. He disproved the theory. Disproved. D-I-S-P-R-O-V-E-D. He disproved. D-I-S-P-R-O-V-E-D. He disproved the theory of. He disproved the theory of spontaneous generation. In between inverted commas, you write down spontaneous generation.
Pardon, ma'am, he disproved.
He disproved the presence, P-R-E-S-E-N-C, presence of, he disproved the theory of, T-H-E-O-R-Y, theory of spontaneous generation, spontaneous, S-P-O-N-T-A-N-E-O-U-S, spontaneous generation, G-N-E-R-A-T-I, generation. In between inverted commas, you write spontaneous generation. Open a bracket. Open a bracket and write down spontaneous generation means the creation of life from organic matter. The creation of life from organic matter. Creation of life from organic matter. O-R-G-A-N-I-C, from organic matter. Organic matter means the remains, okay? Remains of organisms from plants or animals. Understand? So you have written the meaning of spontaneous generation. Have you written? Say fast. Have you written Yatulika?
Yes.
Okay. So after that you write full stop. In 1873, in 1873, Pasteur Pasteur, P-A-S-T-E-U-R. Pasteur means Louis Pasteur. Okay. In 1873, Pasteur advanced A-D-V-A-N-C-E-D, advanced the germ theory of generation. Germ theory of generation. You underline this line. Germ theory of generation. You can underline it. So in 1873, Pasteur, he advanced the germ theory of generation. Germ theory of generation. Advance the germ theory of generation. Please underline it, okay? Full stop. Change the paragraph. Change the paragraph and write down in 1877. In 1877. In 1877, Robert Koch, Robert, R-O-B-E-R-T, Robert. In 1877, Robert, R-O-B-E-R-T, Robert. Robert Koch, K-O-C-H. Robert Koch.
1877.
What?
1877.
After that, comma. In 1877, Robert Koch, Robert, R-O-B-E-R-T, Robert Koch, K-O-C-H. R capital and K capital. Okay, Robert Koch. Open a bracket and write down 1843 to 1910. 1843 to 1910. Close the bracket. 1843 to 1910. Close the bracket. Showed that, showed, S-H-O-W-E-D, showed that, T-H-A-T, that, showed that
Pardon, ma'am.
in 1877, Robert Koch, 1843 to 1910, showed that, S-H-O-W-E-D, showed that anthrax, A-N-T-H-R-A-X, A-N-T-H-R-A-X, anthrax was caused by bacteria. Anthrax was caused by bacteria. Anthrax was caused by bacteria. Finish? Open a bracket and write down anthrax, A-N-T-H-R-A-X. A-N-T-H-R-A-X, anthrax. Put a dash and write down, it is a serious infectious disease. It is a serious infectious disease. It is a serious infectious disease caused by serious infectious disease caused by gram positive, GRAM, gram positive, POSITIV, gram positive, rod-shaped bacteria, rod-shaped bacteria known as Bacillus, B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S, Bacillus, B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S, Bacillus, B capital, okay, B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S, Bacillus anthracis, A should be small letter, A-N-T-H-R-A-C-I-S, CIS, anthracis. Bacillus anthracis. So anthrax is what? It is a serious infectious disease and it is caused by gram-positive bacteria and rod-shaped bacteria. Okay, and the name of the bacteria is Bacillus anthracis. Okay, anthracis, anthracis. This is for your understanding. Okay, what is anthrax? The meaning is that you don't need to write this meaning during your exams. Understand? This is just a meaning for you all to understand. So anthrax was caused by full stop. Full stop. The meaning of anthrax is over. Okay. Now we continue with the note. Full stop. The discoveries of Pasteur and Koch. The discoveries of Pasteur and Koch. Pasteur means Louis Pasteur. Koch means Robert Koch. Okay. The discoveries of Pasteur and Koch. The discoveries of Pasteur and Koch. The discoveries of Pasteur and Koch confirmed the germ theory of disease. Confirmed the germ theory of disease. The discoveries of Pasteur and Koch confirmed the germ theory of disease. Full stop. It was the golden age of bacteriology. It was the golden age of bacteriology. So Louis Pasteur, what he did, he demonstrated that the presence of bacteria in air, and Robert Koch, what he did, he showed that anthrax, okay, it was caused by bacteria. So this has led to a golden age of bacteriology. Okay, so this has disproved the supernatural theory of disease, which was being followed by the primitive people. Okay, so the discoveries of Pasteur and Koch confirmed the germ theory of disease. Full stop. It was the golden age of bacteriology. Finish, everyone? Full stop. Then okay. Change the paragraph. Change the paragraph and write down. Microbe after microbe was discovered. Microbe after microbe was discovered. Microbe, M-I-C-R-O-B-E. Microbe after microbe was discovered. Microbe after microbe was discovered in quick succession. In quick succession, quick, Q-U-I-C-K. Microbe after microbe was discovered in quick succession.
Pardon, ma'am?
Microbe after microbe. Microbe means microorganism. Okay, microbe after microbe was discovered in quick succession. Was discovered in quick, Q-U-I-C-K, quick succession. S-U-C-C-E-S-S-I-O-N, succession. Put a dash and write down gonococcus. Gonococcus, G-O-N-O-C-O-C-C-U-S. Gonococcus in 1847. Gonococcus in 1847. Gonococcus in 1847, comma. Typhoid, T-Y-P-H-O-I-D, typhoid, T-Y-P-H-O-I-D, typhoid bacillus, typhoid bacillus, B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S, typhoid bacillus, comma, pneumococcus, P-N-E-U-M-O-C-O-C-C-U-S, pneumococcus, typhoid bacillus, comma, pneumococcus in 1880, comma, Tubercle. T-U-B-E-R-C-L-E. Tubercle bacillus.
Ma'am,
B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S.
1880.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes, see.
1880.
Tubercle. T-U-B-E-R. Tubercle.
1800.
Typhoid bacillus, comma, pneumococcus in 1880. Okay, 1880, comma, tubercle bacillus, T-U-B-E-R-C-L-E, tubercle bacillus in 1882. Tubercle bacillus in 1882, 1882, 1882, comma, cholera vibrio, cholera, C-H-O-L-E-R-A, cholera, C-H-O-L-E-R-A, cholera, vibrio, V-I-B-R-I-O, vibrio, cholera vibrio in 1883, comma, diphtheria, D-I-P-H-T-H-E-R-I-A, diphtheria bacillus in 1884 and so on. Diphtheria bacillus in 1884 and so on. See, you should know all these years, okay? Like I can give you as a fill in the blank, okay? Gonococcus was discovered in the year dash, then you should write 1847. Understand? Typhoid bacillus pneumococcus, put a dash 1880. You have to write, you have to know the years. And I can also ask in the way that 1880 was the discovery of dash, and what you will write? You should write pneumococcus and typhoid bacillus, okay? So underline everything. Gonococcus in 1847, typhoid bacillus, pneumococcus 1880, tubercle bacillus 1882, okay, cholera in 1883, diphtheria in 1884. You underline with a red pen, so it can come as a fill in the blank, okay? Fill in the blank or else multiple choice. I can give you the options. In 1883, discovery was of cholera or diphtheria. You should mark cholera. Understand? So and so on. Full stop. Then change the paragraph. The germ theory of disease. The germ theory of disease. The germ theory of disease came to the forefront. The germ theory of disease came to the forefront, F-O-R-E, front, F-R-O-N-T, front, forefront, comma, the germ theory of disease came to the forefront, comma, moving on with the earlier theories of disease causation. Moving on with the earlier theories of
Ma'am, I can hear.
disease causation. The germ
Ma'am, I can
theory
hear.
of disease came to the forefront, comma, moving on to the early theories of disease causation. Moving on to the early theories of disease causation. D-I-S-C-A-S-E, disease causation. C-A-U-S-A-T-I-O-N, causation. Full stop. Medicine finally shed the rags of medicine, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E, medicine finally shed, S-H-E-D. Medicine finally shed, S-H-E-D.
Ma'am, is so much
shed.
sound. I can hear.
Medicine finally shed, S-H-E-D, shed the rags of superstition, the rags of superstition, R-A-G-S, rags, the rags of superstition, S-U-P-E-R-S-T-I-T-I-O-N, superstition. Rags means a wordless belief. Okay, the wordless belief, the superstitious belief were all wordless. They believed in all those superstitious things, right? So now this Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, they had finally came to the conclusion that disease was caused because of the invasion of bacteria. And it was not because of the primitive medicine which they were following, like the superstitious beliefs, the wrath of gods because of karma or something like that. So it was being disapproved, okay, by these two bacteriologists. Rags of superstition and put on the robes of scientific knowledge, and put on the robes, R-O-B-S, robes of scientific knowledge. So all these are proved scientifically, okay. The earlier man, whatever they believed, it was all a superstition, okay. So these are all scientific beliefs. So superstitions and put on the robes of scientific knowledge, KNOWLEDG. And because of this scientific knowledge, even you and me, we all are studying all these things. We come to know about diseases, right? We come to know about all this anatomy, physiology, whatever you are studying now. So why are you studying? To know and to observe, and also for your understanding that why and how it is being caused. What are the disease? What are the factors? How can the body changes lead to some kind of diseases or breakdown? Okay, so you are learning all these things because of all this modern medicine that has come forth. Okay, so this was all about the germ theory of disease. It is important, okay, it is important for your exams. Even my so for today I will be taking only this much for PSM, okay. Tomorrow I will be taking your practicals on first aid kit, okay. So thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please write down the names and give it to me, okay, the attendance. Okay then, thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.